Making satisfying noises. 3, 2, 1. Isn't that so satisfying? Like water with the top. Try this, it might calm you down when you're angry. Bye. Oh wait, and also today I can't cover the camera because I have water all over my. So bye.